What if I told you you were literally one video away from blowing up and you quit? Stay till the end because sign number 7 will hit different. What if you were one video away from going viral and you quit? I'm going to show you 10 signs that prove you are built for YouTube. Stay till sign 7. It will change everything. I make stick figure videos. When I started, I got 4 views. My mom was 3 of them. But I kept going. And today, I'm going to tell you why you should too. Most people post and forget. But you rewatch your own video 47 times looking for mistakes. Guess what? That obsession. That's called being a creator. You watch Mr. Beast and think, I can never do that. But Mr. Beast had 0 subscribers too. Comparison is just motivation in disguise. Deleted. Started again. Deleted. Started again. You know what that means? You never actually quit. You just kept trying differently. 12 views, 8 views, 3 views, and you still posted next week. That discipline? Most people don't have it. You do. You don't say low views, you say, that video wasn't good enough. That's a creator mindset, not a viewer mindset. Notes app, voice memos, random paper, you have ideas everywhere. That's not disorganized. That's a content machine waiting to turn on. I told you sign 7 would hit different. Here it is. The fact that you searched for this video, clicked on it, and watched this far means you haven't given up. Quitters don't look for reasons to keep going. You did. Family says get a real job. Friends say nobody watches that. And yet, here you are, still creating. That's not stubbornness. That's vision. You've imagined the silver play button, the brand deals, the comments saying this changed my life. That vision is not a fantasy. It's a roadmap. Every big YouTuber has one thing in common. They didn't quit at 600 views. They didn't quit at 6,000. Time plus consistency equals growth. Every single time. If even one of these signs was you, comment below which one hit hardest. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe, because I make content for creators. By a creator who's still growing too.